Hi everyone, welcome back to the Reactjs video tutorial, and in this video we are going to learn that how we can create a listing with the map function. So first question is that why we need it. So let's say you have some JSON data and there is some name and phone number and mobile number are repeatedly present and you can iterate them. So in the other library and framework you can use the for loop, while loop, but they are not recommended with the React.js. So you, for the making the list, you can use the map function. This is the recommended method that you can use in the React official documentation. So how we can use it, so let's see with the code. So first of all, I'm just going to make some JSON data so that we can iterate it and use it in the loop. So for that I'm just going to make a state. So this dot state, and data is my state name. So I'm just going to make an array, and in my array my object is like name is Peter and email address is peter@dash.com, and for the save the time I'm just going to copy and paste it. Alright, so just change the name here, Bruce and Mark. Alright, so now I'm just going to iterate it with the map function. So just write here this dot state dot data dot map. Alright, so it's pretty lengthy. So I'm just going to take an item as an variable name so that I can use it through my iteratable function. So here I can just use a div, alright, and just close it here, and here I can use simply item dot name, and let's see. Now you can see that you got the listing here. Alright, so it's pretty simple as you can see. So let's say if you want to take the to name, so that you can take a span. You can also take the whatever you want to take the element, but I'm just taking the span so that they can just come inside the single line. So name, and here I can just put the email address after the scope resolution method. Now you can see that there is a name and the email address also. Alright, so this is pretty simple. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.